Welcome to your daily meditation. If you are an avid meditator or you've listened to this particular guided meditation before, I will leave the timestamp below for you to skip straight into the meditation. For those of you who are new to this practice or new to this particular video that I'm going to be sharing with you today, I ask that you get yourself into a comfortable position. It is preferable for your spine to be straight, sitting up. For some of you, you might want to have a chair with back support because that will help you feel more comfortable. I don't want any tension in the body. And if you have to lay down, that's completely fine. Do whatever allows you to feel most comfortable in your body. We are going to be going into the mind. However, it is my firm belief that the body is an extension of the subconscious mind. So the more relaxed you can make your body, the deeper level of the subconscious we will be able to reach. And so this practice today is for stress relief, for anxiety. I'm going to be guiding you through some sound, which penetrates the cells of the body to start regeneration, to start the natural healing process. And then we're going to go on to a guided visualization for you to leave all of your stress behind. And I'll have you begin by closing your eyes. As we close the eyes, you are already signaling to your body that this is time to go within, cutting off that sense of sight allows for all of our other senses to heighten, to become aware, to deepen the mind-body connection. Tuning into your breath. Noticing the way it feels with every inhale. Each exhale. Deepening the breath. Slowing down the rhythm. And perhaps noticing your belly expand as you breathe into your diaphragm. If thoughts do pop in, that's natural, that's okay. Your breath will remain as your anchor throughout this practice. So bring yourself back to your breath. And I'd like you to add the mantra on your next inhale, peace. So as you breathe in, breathing in the word, hearing it resonate within your mind, peace. And on the exhale, peace. Breathing in peace, hearing it within the inner channel of your mind. Breathing out peace. Focusing on the word, on the mantra. rhythm of your breath. Breathing in peace, breathing out peace. And letting the mantra fall away. I want you to visualize yourself in an open field. Notice the vivid colors, the vastness of nature. And notice that far up ahead, you see a hot air balloon tied down to the ground. See yourself getting closer. Closer and closer to this hot air balloon. And as you approach the basket, you notice that there's something special about this basket, in that it can take all of your stress, all of your worry, all of your anxiety. So I want you to pour every bit of stress, of worry, of anxiety, dump it all in. Let the basket hold everything that you've been carrying. Allow it to release from your mind, from your body, as you see it filling up that basket. And knowing with certainty that everything can fit. So make sure you get it all. Check in and see how it feels once everything has been given to the basket. And I'd like you to imagine now that you can pick up a pair of scissors and one at a time cut each string holding that basket down, weighing it down, keeping it stuck there. And as that last string is cut, the basket begins to lift, slowly at first, floating into the air. Getting further and further away. further it gets, the further away from you these things are, until they're so far they're completely out of your vantage point. And I want you to command your mind right now. Tell your mind, just as clear as I can feel, see, sense, and know that that basket is gone from my imagination, so too is everything that it carried with it. Gone, erased, eliminated, deleted, canceled. They are behind you now. They are permanently gone forever. And there's no reason you want to keep those things. Releasing the attachment to them. Releasing the sense of safety and protection they may have provided you. I'd like you to internally celebrate within yourself, repeating the mantra with every inhale, every exhale. I am free. I am free. Breathing in that freedom. I'm free. I'm free. Notice how relaxed you feel in this moment. Notice how at peace you are within. Feeling your body on the surface beneath you, the support of your back, on the chair or the surface beneath you. Just consider for a moment how protected you are in this space, grounded, focused, clear. And as we conclude this meditation practice, I invite you to bring your awareness to your heart, as though you're breathing in and out through your heart. Set your intention for whatever comes after this practice, that you shall carry this peace with you, this feeling of centeredness, and this freedom, claiming it as yours. And as we signal back to the body that it is time to focus, to go about our day, holding on to these inner truths, these inner knowings, and know that at any time you can always jump right back to this feeling with the mantra, freedom. I am free.